Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to COBOL program, where we will see other two possible scenarios to use add statement in COBOL. Prior to this session, we have already discussed some scenarios where we utilize add statement in order to perform addition, right? So this session is in the continuation of the same, where we will just discuss how we can utilize add statement in different two scenarios. So we are going to talk about two more scenarios, okay? But before we start, if you have not watched the previously published session, then I recommend you to please go and check out the previously sessions first, because in this entire playlist each and every session is in proper sequence. So if you follow the sequence, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for now we are just focusing on the add statement. Other basic things are already covered, like what is divisions, why we declare variable, what is the need of variable. So each and every topic is explained in a detailed manner. Okay, fine. So I think now we are good to start with the session. So here for this session we are proceeding with the same manner. Firstly, I'll walk you through the code. We'll understand like how the code is written and what all syntax we are using, and then later on we will see the output of the program as well, to understand and to have the proper clarity. Fine, so let's go and take option 2 for test pgm 1. So I'll take option 2 here. Then you can see we have, firstly we have identification division block. This division block is mainly used to show the program identity related information. So here we can see we have first value as program ID, which is denoting program name. Then we have program, after program ID we have author, which is denoting author name. So these are the two information that is something related to program identity, right? So that's why we have kept it into this procedure, sorry, not procedure, identification division block. Okay, fine. Now afterwards what we are doing, we have initiated the 3 comment line. So you can see from line number 5 to line number 7 we have declared the comment line, and to declare the comment line you can use asterisk on 7th place. So we can count it from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So on 7th place when you put asterisk, and after that whatever you will write will be considered as your commented line. Okay, so these 3 lines I have added just to show you the topic of today's session, which is as add a statement in COBOL program. Fine. If in your case, if the comments are not coming in a white color, it's completely fine, because I have set some additional setting in order to make it white color. But if in your case maybe it is coming with the default color, so it's completely okay. It doesn't matter like which color you are using, it will work as expected. Okay, fine. So now we will move further, and here we will see like we have initiated the data division. What is data division? Data division, under this data division we have working storage section, and that working storage section is used to declare the variable that we are going to utilize throughout the program. So for this example we need 3 variables. So you can see here the first variable is profit1. So to declare this we have added the level number. So 01 is denoting the higher data hierarchy, and it's a level number. So level number means it is showing the higher data hierarchy for 01. Then we have variable name and data name. So whenever you want to access this variable throughout the program, you will utilize the variable name as profit1. So this is a key point, like if you are declaring any variable, make sure you are not repeating the variable name same, otherwise it will give you compilation error. Okay, after that we have mentioned PIC, which is nothing but a picture clause, and after that we have this 9 of 4, where 9 is denoting numeric and 4 is denoting the length of the variable. Then we have value clause. Value clause is mainly used to initialize some value to your variable. So we have initialized the value as 50. Okay, so this entire line number 12, is defining a variable with a name profit1, which can hold up to 4-digit numeric value, and currently it is having the value as 50. Okay, likewise if you look at the second variable, same pattern we are following, just we have changed the program variable name, which is profit 2 now. So level number is same, 01 denoting higher data hierarchy, PIC is picture clause, 9 of 4 is numeric 4 digit, and we have initialized the value as 50. If you want to initialize some other value, it is up to you, you can change it, but for now I'm just using it as 50. Fine. Now we need another variable for result, because we are going to utilize add statement with some variable where we will store the output. So that's why I have declared this empty variable, which is 01. Level number is same, variable name is result, PIC 9 of 4, but this time we are not utilizing value clause. Why? Because we are going to receive the value from sum of two variables. So that's why there's no need to define some initialization value. Alright, now after that, from line number 16 we have initiated the procedure division. So procedure division is the area where we will declare the main logic of our program. So here you can see, firstly we are printing the all three variables before any kind of modification. So far we have not modified anything, we are just printing the values to show you the difference. So on line number 18 we are displaying profit 1 value before any modification and appended the variable profit 1. Likewise we are printing the profit 2 value before any modification with appended with profit 2 variable, and then we have result variable before any modification and appended with result variable. So these three lines will just print out the result on your screen. Then we are using the first scenario where we are using the add statement. So addition with a result variable. So just assume a scenario like in last session what we did, we performed the addition operation where we sum up two values. For example, if we have profit 1 and profit 2, so profit 1 will be added to profit 2 and then output is also stored in profit 2. But somewhere it is changing the value of profit 2, right? So we don't want to change the value, and that's why we have included another variable. So we will sum up profit 1 and profit 2 and store the output in some different variable. So what is the syntax to use this? You can see on line number 24, add, which is a statement 5. Instead of variable I'm using hard coded value, so just a 5 to profit 1. So what it will do, it will add the 5 to profit 1 giving result. So it will give result into this result variable. Clear? So this is the line which is adding 5 to profit 1 and storing the output into result. So giving is very important keyword. Okay, in interviews also, like interviewer may ask you what is giving, so then you can say that it is used to store the output into the variable. Fine, then we are just displaying the output on the screen. So display profit 1 plus 5 result in result. Okay, so this is just a text to show you the output, like how it is coming. Then we are using the second scenario. In second scenario we are using adding multiple values. So here you can see add profit 1, profit 2 and 100. Remember one thing, you can use both thing. You can use variable as well as hard coded value. So it is totally up to you, like how you want to store it or how you want to perform addition, but I have explained you both the ways. Okay, in previous session also, like we discussed like how to do addition with two variables, so that you can watch and you can implement in your code. Okay, so on line number 31 we are just adding profit 1 with profit 2 and then profit the sum with 100. So the output would be giving in this result variable. Then we are displaying the output. So display profit 1, profit 2, 100 into result variable, and then we are terminating the program with stop run. Clear? So let's compile it and call it to see the output. So once I call it program, you can see profit 1 value before any modification is 50, profit 2 value before any modification is 50, and result value before any modification is 0, because we have not initialized any value to result variable. Then after I enter, you can see profit 1 plus 5 is result, which is 55. Okay, there is no means it is not related to your logic, right? This is just a text I wanted to show you. Then after you press enter again, you will find profit 1, profit 2 and 100. Sum of all three variables is 200. Okay, profit 1, profit 2 and 100. Likewise, if there is any other variable instead of 100, that we can also pass. So in short, you can say we are performing the addition operation with multiple values. Clear? So yeah, these are the two topics which I wanted to share with you all in this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.